YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be going to pick up a FJ Cruiser power wheel. Now, power wheels are always something that every kid has wanted. Of course, my kids have asked for them, and my kids love the FJ Cruiser. So what better way than to get them an FJ Cruiser power wheel? This one happens to be about an hour away. The seller is selling it for $80. It is purple. It is a Disney Princess edition, and I want to make it look just like my FJ so that my kids can, jump in there and pretend like they're driving the real thing. So I'm kind of excited about it. I'm about to go drive an hour to go pick it up, and yeah, we'll see how it looks, and I'm excited to get this started. So here we go. All right, so I just came home with the FJ Cruiser, and this is what it looks like. Started taking some of the stickers off already. There was one on the hood, but take a look at that. It's got a little Princess radio. Steering wheel even looks exactly like the FJ Cruiser steering wheel. 2 seats. Some stickers back here. And of course, the iconic FJ grill. So first things first, we're gonna get some stickers off, and then we're gonna take the next step after that. It's even got the Toyota logo on the rims. Yeah. So after some painting, here's a couple of looks at the doors here. There is the hood, side mirrors turned gray. These were originally purple. Got these lights painted orange. The bumper here was originally purple, and I painted it matte black. I think it looks great. These end caps are still silver. I've taped this off, so this is going to be silver, so I'll pull this off soon, but I think that looks great right there. Alright, after removing and painting the parts that we could remove, we've reassembled most of those parts, and now we're just going to paint the outside of the car. We decided not to paint the inside because it wasn't practical, but we're going to tape off, mask off some of the other parts of the car, finish off this roof rack, paint that matte black, finish off that other side of the roof rack, and then continue on with the rest of the car in white. So we just pulled off the tape from the fenders. We painted the fender flares black. And now we're gonna mask off and paint the rest of the car white. is after the first coat of paint. It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna let this layer dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna hit it with another layer and then just leave it out and let it dry. So far, looking pretty good. Can't wait to get the rest of those parts on and finish it out. Alright, things are put back together. The front grille is back on. Everything is painted. Look at the side mirrors are back on. I touched up a little bit of the bumper, so I'm gonna sit and let that dry, and then I'm gonna come back shortly and then gonna remove all of the newspaper and start peeling the tape off, and we'll see what the final product looks like. So after all the painting and unmasking, this is the FJ Cruiser in its final form. Let's kind of look at all the details here. You see the Toyota grille, the trademark FJ Cruiser grille, and the way it looks on the real FJ as well. It even has the little hood scoop here. Even the body lines here on the rear fender are pretty close. Got our little Toyota badge here on the back. When we pulled off the FJ Cruiser sticker here, it got misplaced, so unfortunately it doesn't have a matching FJ Cruiser badge on the back, just like so, but it used to. But look at the roof rack. Got a little roof rack back here. The mirror, I gotta fix this. There's the steering wheel. The steering wheel over there. It's pretty cool. It actually has a high, a low, and a reverse gear. It's got a little radio. And just to look at the extra details here, here's the side mirrors. And look at the FJ Cruiser side mirrors. So all in all, it's a pretty decent replica, just a little smushed version of the real thing. So, pretty cool. And the best part about this is there's no rust down here. And the second best part is, check this out guys, no rub. So yes, these tires do fit. Alright guys, that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a like and a subscribe. And hopefully I'll be doing some more cool FJ mods and videos like this in the future. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.